Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with the first episode of Cash App Exposed. We're going to talk about some controversial topics within Cash App and expose the truth about these topics. The first topic today is going to be cash flips or money flips. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. Cash App seems to get a lot of press for scams and things of that sort, but I'm here to kind of expose the truth. Today we're talking about cash flips or money flips. Basically, this is where people say if you send them a certain amount of money, they'll double your money. So let's say I wanted to send someone $1. They're saying that they would send me $2 back. And then they would be like, okay, now send me 5 and I'll send you 10 back. And then they'll be like, okay, now send me 100. And I'll send you 200 back. You get the point. Eventually, they're just gonna take your money. That's how a Cash App flip works. Someone asked me the other day on Instagram if I do Cash App flips, and I was like, no, only scammers do that. And they didn't really understand why, but just think about it, guys. If you send someone money, why would they send you back double the amount of money? That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. So how they typically do it is they start out small amounts like $1 and then $5. You know, you can see I have $82 in my account right here. So that would only be like an $11 loss if someone sent me that money and I wanted to double it. But once you get to like $100 and you want to double that, you know, I don't even have enough money to cover $100 in here right now. So at that point, that's when they scam you and take your money. And this has nothing to do with Cash App, the company. These are just typical scammers that use any app like this to manipulate people and take their money. They gain their trust with small amounts of money, and then they say something like $100 or $500, and that person sends the money and then they just block them. Never talk to them again. So there's the truth. Cash App scammers are the ones running Cash App flips. Just don't participate in them. Cash App is a completely legitimate app owned by Square. We can take a look at Square right here in their stock section. Square, a $54 billion company. This is a huge legitimate company. This is not some little company that's out to scam people. You can see the about information. Jack Dorsey, the CEO, who is also the CEO of Twitter, 3,835 employees, a banking and finance app, technology, and I'll even buy $1 of Square stock right now. So Cash App completely legitimate for a bank account, investing. You can invest in stocks and Bitcoin. I do both on this app. They have a card. You can get the card and get discounts right there. You can see I get 10% off at Chick-fil-A. You can send peer-to-peer payments. Cash App is like a full-service bank with built-in investing. It's an amazing app. I highly recommend learning it. And there's hundreds of videos on my channel if you want to do so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.